Hey everyone, it is Mona here at Klatch. I don't have a craft for you today. Instead, we are going to do a little unboxing. This package arrived and it says YouTube on it right here, and I know what this is. Some of you have noticed that I hit 100,000 subscribers on my channel, and thank you guys so much for the congratulations and noticing that, and of course for being here. So I wanted to open this with you guys here. Pretty fancy. Look at that nice box. It says, you've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that six-figure milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work for the Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know you don't do this for rewards, but you do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say we can't wait to see what you do next. A million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Well, that was nice. Wow, you guys, this is much larger than I expected it to be. Look at that, you guys. So here it is, my silver play button, and I wouldn't be here right now if it wasn't for all of you guys, so I am humbled, and thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I am going to put this up on my mantle. Thank you for each and every one of you for subscribing, and thank you, YouTube, for the opportunity. I appreciate it more than all of you know. So thank you again, you guys, for helping me achieve this, and I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.